Hey, see, do you know that people are shouting? There's chaos. Dog is barking, fan is blowing, everything is happening, but you cannot hear anything apart from my voice. It's only my voice that you can hear. Why? Because I now have a microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm just going to play a short clip to show you guys the difference between when there's a mic on and when there's a mic on. Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Sweet Terry, and if you're just seeing this face for the first time, you're welcome. You're welcome to stay to the family by subscribing. This is how it comes when you open it. It's a 2-in-1. So this is the microphone itself. This is the microphone itself. This is the microphone itself, and this is the clip. This is what they call the transmitter. So this is where you plug in your phone, and it also has this space so that when you are, if you're recording on your phone and your phone is low, you can plug your charger here and automatically it charges your phone. That's just it. This one does not have a battery on its own. Automatically it just charges your phone. Then this one, you can charge it. It uses battery. This back here is the charger to charge the microphone. So this is the place where you charge your microphone. I actually wanted to buy it on AliExpress. I saw it for 8,000. Then all these mobile online videos, I saw it for 15,000. But my friend is selling it, and the single one that is just one microphone is actually 6,000, and the 2-in-1 is one I got, and it's actually 10,000. But let me just tell you guys the advantages and the disadvantages. But this how it comes. It's a K9 microphone for live show, interview, vlog, short video. This is how it is. Plug and play, 20 meters of accessible reception, highly sensitive, blah blah blah. So I'll show you guys. I'll add the clip later. I've already done an unboxing. I'll add it later. So first of all, the why I like this microphone or microphones in general is because of the noise cancellation. So basically I used to have problems filming during the day because of so much noise, but thankfully with this microphone I can film anytime because you're not gonna hear that. And it's also good for outside vlogs, like when you want to do a day in my life and you're going to the market. It's going to be noisy, but with this microphone now it's going to help. But it says 20 meters of reception, but I don't know which one be 20 meters sharp. But anyhow, then I feel like the only disadvantage of this I feel like the only disadvantage of this microphone is the fact that it's clip on. I don't know, like AirPod and earpiece, that kind of thing. Maybe this if you fall come out to my body, I feel no. So basically, then it has a manual. It comes with a manual, and it's actually very, very easy to use. All you have to do is to plug it's in the column. Be like they come. So you should plug the receiver. I think I was calling it receptor before. Plug the receiver to your phone and put on your mic. So everything on how to use it is actually in the manual, and it's quite detailed. So if you want to get the microphone from the person I bought it from, you can let me know in the comment section. Very cheap, just 10k. You bought it. If you want a single one, it's 6,000. It has different types. It has the type for normal Android, Type C, and for iPhones too. So I highly recommend this microphone. I just came here to tell you guys that first of all, I'm excited and I have my microphone, super clear audio. That's one, and you should get it too, not only for YouTube, for any other thing you want to do, you should get it. So yeah, I recommend that K9 microphone. Now that one I know, so that's the one I recommend. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.